Charlie Chasin and Michael Malone are doppelgangers who were featured along with others in an article in the New York Times, and they join me tonight, along with Dr. Manuel Esteller. He's the director of the Josep Carreras Leukemia Research Institute in Barcelona, Spain, or Barcelona, if you want to say it that way. He's also the co-author of the study on doppelgangers. Good to have you in studio. Thank you guys for joining us. Charlie, I'm going to start with you. You're not twins. You're not related. What's it like to have a doppelganger?
It's really interesting because we've known each other a long time. Michael and I go way back, and it's been like a source of a lot of fun for us because over the years we've been mistaken for each other all over the place, all over Atlanta. And there's been some really interesting situations that have come out just because people thought we were the other person. And so for us, it's just been a lot of fun. And another way, since we're already good friends, another way for us to be even, better friends and to bond more. We've got this thing between us that not everybody else has. I mean, everybody has a doppelganger probably, but we actually know ours and we know each other well.
Yeah, I have one too. I mean, people call me Anderson Cooper all the time when they see me on the street.
I see the resemblance.
Michael, how did you guys actually meet? When did it click that you guys looked alike?
We met because Charlie joined a band, and he was playing guitar for a band, and I started guesting with this band. And we started because the social circles were just converging on each other. We just became friends. We didn't see it in each other, and we just liked each other as friends. And, just a friendship grew until then people started pointing out to us, you guys look like brothers. You guys look like brothers. In fact, I met a set of friends here in Atlanta years ago because they asked me, do you play guitar with Monkey One? I said, no, but my friend Charlie does. So because we're put together by music or social circles, and it's been great ever since.
So here's the question to doctors. I'm so glad that you're here. Tell us more about the study, because you decided to study people who sort of looked alike, right, and who aren't related. You recruited 32 people who had participated in a photo project by a Canadian artist. They took some DNA, they took DNA tests, they used facial recognition software. So then what did you discover after you did all of that?
So we look at these people that they share the same faces. In fact, it's the first time I see them in vivo, really in reality. And from these people, we just took biological material and analyzed the DNA. And in this DNA, we're able to see that these look-alike humans, in fact, they are sharing several genetic variants, and these are very common among them. So they share these genetic variants that are related in the way that they have the shape of the nose, the eye, the mouth, the lips, and even the bone structure. And this was the main conclusion. The genetics put them together, and other factors are different, and that's the reason they are not completely identical.
So, but is it because they have similar DNA, right? But that doesn't mean that they're related?
No, they are not. In fact, in each case, we went back almost 100 years ago, and there is no a common ancestry. They are not related at all.
So it's
they are not
similar codes,
yes,
right? But not...
Similar codes just by random chance. In the world right now, there are so many people that eventually the system is producing humans with similar DNA sequences. And that's the reason. And now with the internet, you can find all these look-alike in the world in an easier way.